Hi, a warm welcome to my channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this stunning look YouTube channel in background image. And as you see that it's totally fit in my channel page. It is not distorting, it's perfectly fitting and everything is well as per I planned. So today I'm going to teach you the same how to do these wonderful look of the channel page. So without wasting time, let's go back to the any photo editing software. So right now I'm using Photoshop, and as I open Photoshop, you guys seeing that these kind of a grid image with some resolution mark tag. So I tell you one thing, uh, whatever you fix inside this line, the line that I'm using yellow, the yellow mark line, inside this line, whatever inside this box, sorry, inside this box, whatever image, whatever the font, whatever text, whatever you design and put it in this safe area margin, it will be visible only in the mobile. Okay, and these lines, so I'm taking some another color, so just make sure that you guys can understand. And this line, the red marking from here, this line, and followed by this line. So when you fit any image from here, from here to here, so this will be visible in the desktop or desktop view, like here. This is the desktop view. So, and the frame, the ending frame from here, this and this frame, from here to here, it will be visible in my mobile version, because there is a different aspect ratio of the all device. So this is and like here we see lazy 3D artist with Instagram, and in the left hand side we see Karma Sultan Lama with the Facebook. This will not be visible in the mobile, because it is these space are in having more width, and it is for the desktop. So go back to Photoshop, and let's show you with some good example. Okay, and as I toggle it on, so you see that here I have made some channel page for one of my client. And here, as I told you, just come on back. And okay, so let me tell you with good example, toggle it off. And right, like I said before, that this line from here to this guideline from here. Okay, and in this, like we see the finding the text and this girl's image, and here we have a some white space. This will be visible in this mobile version, whether iOS, whether Android, or whether Microsoft and mobile device. And and from like here we just switch it. And this screen, this screen, and this left screen, this space, all will be visible in the desktop view. So like I said before, so I will show you with examples. Okay, I'm going to create a fresh YouTube channel template for myself, for one of my second YouTube channel I'm going to open. So this is I fix according to the what I need, and I will post this image in the description link to download and to make sure you just understand it well. And I will delete all these nonsense thing, because I'm going to start with fresh one. Okay, so I will, like here I'm going to create a channel for my YouTube. So if we go to the customize channel, and it will take some time to load depending on the internet speed. And right now I'm using my mobile data. And to customize your channel branding, it is called branding. Okay, and to customize your banner image, you have to go here. Okay, and right now we see it is a default red, it means there is nothing. And if you go there, your channel, and I see blank, there's nothing at the background, nothing special, just a simple image and the name. Okay, so let's get started. And I'm going to so first of all I'm going to create a file here, and I'm going to write some text. Okay, and I'm going to write okay, RMA. This is just for the demo. Okay, guys. Karma, TSUL, Karma Soul Trim. Okay, and as I told, just minimize this, and I'm taking new layer and just put it below, and just check off with the white background. So not going to tell you the shortcut I'm using, because this is not a Photoshop class, as you know. And so you see here this line from here to here. Okay, I am aligning this space just to make sure that it is visible in the cell phone. Okay, visible in cell phone. And even I'm going to use this space just to make visible my banner image in the YouTube, sorry, in the desktop or laptop or any device. Okay, device having high resolution. So I'm going to put it here like Karma Soul Trim, and I'm going to load some image and picture. And just for example, I upload this image here. Okay, and I just move it here, and then I'm going to like this stuff, and I'm going to scale it down because it's too high. I'm going to fit in here. I'm going to fit in here. Okay, just for the demo purpose, not so good, just for the demo purpose. Make sure you just scale nice. Okay, evenly. Okay, and I feel good. So then so right now you see that within this margin, you see that the right part of the image, that image is crossing the line. So it means that in the mobile view you will be visible with this rectangle view, this rectangle. Okay, this little piece of the rectangle. So I am going to delete it, because otherwise it's gonna be messy if you just going to by seeing the mobile one. So I'm going to delete. Okay, just some issue, no issue, and down delete. Okay, and even I'm going to delete this one too, the extra part. Delete. Okay, just delete. So now we see it is perfect, and I need one more image. Open. Okay, maybe some kind like the okay, yeah, I see this is perfect. Okay, I got this PNG image. You can download anywhere, and there's thousands of image available in the internet. And right now this is the one, and I just scale it a bit down, and I'm going to put it here. Okay, and this is here. So perfect. Here, perfect. Just align it down. Perfect. And for here I'm going to just make some color. Okay, because otherwise it looks so dull. I'm going to here. Okay, and I'm going to put some bluish color, okay, because I love blue color. I'm a big fan of blue color. And then my name is there. Go down, you okay, Karma Soul Trim, and then file open, and I just say desktop, and I have my PNG image of the Instagram and Facebook link. So right now drop it down here. Okay, it's a fucking waste of time. I don't like this shitty thing. Okay, delete it. Okay, delete it. Cancel. So as you see that the image, the for background and foreground image are blue, it means like if we're having monochromatic image. So we need to change the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going back here, this one, the blue background, and I'm going to change it to more like a, let me give it back the white color. Okay, let me give it back the white color, or I just took back. Okay, and here we got a Facebook icon. Just scale it down. Okay, and just type anything you type. Just type the beginner. So it is white, so we need to change the color also. White and white is not going to be good. Just make sure making it to black. Beginner guru. Okay, this is just for demo, okay, not the, just a serious tutorial. Sorry, serious YouTube banner image for myself. And so let's check how it look. Okay, and I see I need to add some more what we call the composition, and I use like this one. Oh, sorry, yeah, this one here. Okay, so it look nice, and right now I see it is white, so this is not a good way. Okay, I need to rasterize it, and I'm going to change the color to yellow like this, and then press G, Control D. Okay, so perfect. Okay, so let's check how it look. So I'm going to tell you that in the YouTube banner image, you should not use high quality, because YouTube only use like less than less than 1 MB. So I'm going to even tell you how to save image in the low quality. So go here, whether JPEG or PNG, and I'm going to just rename it Karma banner image. Okay, I'm going to put it in the desktop and save, and there you will get a lot of options, and I'm going to use in the lowest. Otherwise the image will be like 6 or 7 MB, then that is not acceptable by the YouTube policy. Okay, and now let's see how it fit. So go back to your channel, and then go to customize channel, and after going there it will take some time. And now we see the branding option, and we see the upload. Okay, and from here it will just take you to the destination folder. So I have been saving this image in the desktop with the name of the Karma banner, and if it is not found, then what you do is all file. Okay, and I'm going to see where it is my file, and that is not the file that I just made right now. Okay, so I think it's not visible here. So what I do is I just going to save again, because sometimes this kind of issue comes. So here, and then put it Karma banner images. Okay, and then save, and with the low option. Okay, and then go back to your channel, and it will ask for the same folder, and go to the desktop. And now I see here Karma banner image. Okay, and then open and see. So like you see in the YouTube customized banner art, you see the same the graph view like I have here. Just minimize this all stuff, like here. The same graph is available in the YouTube customized channel. Okay, So it's saying that this part, it will be only visible on the sorry, this image and this, the text, this will be, viewable in the desktop only, not in the cell phone. uh, okay, not in the cell phone means not in the, mobile devices. And the view, it is saying that viewable on all device. It means that the from here to this line, this will be visible in all device, whether you are watching it on TV or any Xbox or a mobile or a laptop, whatever. Okay. And this whole area, this whole area, these will be visible in the TV. So I have nothing, here. This is a white background, so in the TV, it will be visible only these center, images with the, top and bottom, with the white simple background. So just apply and then just publish. Okay. And it will take little bit time, and now it says that it channel is being published. So let us check whether it is being done according to the desired amount of result. And now I see that it is, totally good, and it look very nice. So you see that here, this image, it need to just position a little bit down. As you see here, we have a white tiny, background being uncovered. So let me do it again. Okay, so just on all these things and just go there. So this is a easy one, just little bit, not too much. Okay. And make sure when you position it down, remember that here, it will, this part will come down, so it will remain white too. So what you need to do is you need to scale it. Okay. And scale it, and now it will work perfectly. It will work without any issue. It will work as I said. Okay, and enter. So I'm going to replace the image, save as, I have a desktop and JPEG folder I saved, and in this name, and it will say to replace, and yes, and make sure it is at low to maintain the, a low file, I mean, low, what we call it, reduce the file size. Okay, sometimes my English is bad, so I'm sorry for that. So see, right now you see, this is uncovered. So let me, change. Even you can directly change from here without going to customize channel, just to save your time. But it is same process. It will open the same customization channel window, and then I'm going to not, don't remove. Just go to the change option. Okay, and go to the desktop, and here we see Karma channel banner image, and let us, see. Okay, now it is fine, and just publish. Okay, just wait for a little bit. Okay, and go here and check out whether it is perfectly aligned or not. Okay, now you see it is perfectly aligned, no any issue. So I hope you guys like my video, and even you can share this very amazing tutorial to your friend